No. Just because I'm doing a lot of baking, don't mean that.
Okay, bitch, you making it purposely gluten-free. That's effort. That's going above and beyond. That's really fucking trying.
Yeah, I'm trying for you.
To fatten me up. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you need me bigger. You don't like how skinny I'm getting. You're like, here, bitch, eat a whole fucking cake to yourself.
No.
Here, bitch, have 12 fucking muffins. Here's 12 muffins. All for you.
They're all gluten-free.
Exactly.
And
so that's
dairy-free.
aimed for me. The point is,
Yeah.
it's fattening me up.
No. I'm trying to find your snacks that you like.
Dried freezed fruit. I'm really looking for some of that. It's gluten fucking free. Why the fuck does dry freeze fruit have fucking gluten in it?
The powders. I'm trying to find something more cheaper. And last.
That's like saying, oh, I can't afford snacks for my kids. I'm just gonna make them fucking brownies every goddamn week and only let them snack on brownies. What?
No, brownies, cookies, cakes.
Some fatback shit. That's some fatback shit. And then you mad when you look at the scale and it says 240.
It's water weight.
No, it's cake weight. With a little bit of muffin sprinkled in.
The point of the story is, I will make desserts. It's cheaper. We know where it came from.
Yeah, a box that you mix in a bowl.
Exactly. We know who makes it.
So you gonna help me make this dinner or what? That's the whole way this conversation started.
Oh.
I just feel like it's irresponsible of you to let a person this high and have a margarita and I drink a lot. To work a knife to cut up potatoes.
Touche. I told you not to drink so fast. You come home and immediately cracked the bottle, started waddling. So
Okay, that's take that back.
crack a bottle, watch your body waddle.
I made sure not to waddle.
Don't act like it's not your motto.
But I want to be model.
You're my very special model.
I don't need you to put very special in the front. That makes me feel like a special needs, and I don't push it. I've been called that way too long in my life. I don't need to come from my lover.
How long?
Motherfucker.